We will walk through the steps to demonstrate how debugging is done. But first, let us run the game. This is a simple script which loads the scene inventory scene_prefabs, then keeps it for 8 seconds and then removes the scene. Let us go to the Visual Studio IDE. We can set breakpoints here at a line of code. For example, if I click on the left side of editor, here, you can see a red circle appear on it. This is where we have set a breakpoint. This means that when the game executes this line of code, the execution stops here. We can now execute the code line by line and check for any issues. We go to Debug and click on Attach Unity Debugger. A pop-up appears showing the list of Unity instance. Select the appropriate instance and click OK. To move the execution to next line of code, we go to Debug and click on Step Over or F10. The execution now moves to next logical line of code and so on. This is the locals window which shows the list of all variables along with its value in the class. If we want to monitor a variable, we can do so in the watch window. But first the variable has to be added to watch window. This is done by right-clicking on the variable in the editor and selecting Add Watch, like so. The variable gets listed here along with its value. Throughout the execution we can see what the current value for the variable is, and hence, we can find any discrepancy or error in the value. If I press continue, the code gets executed completely and unloads the scene from the game. We go back to Unity editor and find the scene inventory scene_prefabs is removed from the scene.